You've diagnosed the vehicle. You know what's wrong with it. You know the component that needs to be replaced. You get the box at your shop that's been dropped off by your parts store. And you notice inside the box, you have one of these. What is this? It's called a pigtail or part of a harness for the component that you're replacing. In this case, it's a blower motor resistor. So why is this inside the kit? Some people have these conspiracy theories that it's there to make sure the inventory can match what's out there. In other words, this could fit 5, 6 different vehicles instead of just one. That is not true. The reality of it is, the reason why they include pigtails like this on blower motor resistors, fuel pumps, and other components on a vehicle is that this is a strong failure point. In some cases, the high resistance inside the component or inside the connector itself causes thermal damage because resistance changes voltage into heat that melts the connector. So this is why this needs to be replaced and properly spliced into the harness for the vehicle. This way, when the car is repaired, you'll know that it's working right. If you don't do this, you could see large voltage drops across given parts of the circuit, and this will typically result in a comeback. So make sure that you're also installing the pigtail harness with some components for sensors, actuators, motors, fuel pumps, and this way you'll know that the repair is 100% complete. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.